Hey guys, good morning. Today is Thursday, May 7th, and welcome back to Number Corners. All right, so today we are going to be doing our first number line activity for the month, and it is a game called Put It on the Line. Now, I know I have played this game with my class with lots of different clues before and things like that, but I'm having a big problem. I don't have anyone to play with. Uh-oh, I think maybe we'll try to solve that problem. But for now, in the meantime, I'll show you the line. Here we are. We start at 0, we end at 1, and we're going to be filling in the numbers here. So I know that between 0 and 1, there are no whole numbers. Guess what? It goes with the theme of our month, fractions. So each one of these is going to be a fraction. So to figure out the fraction, I need to figure out the denominator, or how many parts this line is broken into. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our fraction, all of our fractions, the denominator will be 10 because our line is split into 10 parts. All right, so now I'm going to try to find, let me see, if I can find, let's see if I can find a friend to play, okay? Let's see here. Okay, that's not working. Just bear with me for a moment. Hey, good morning! Guys, look who it is! It's Miss Musto!
Everybody!
Miss Musto, are you busy?
Not at all.
Would you love to play a game?
I would love to play a game.
Oh, I'm so excited. So, Miss Musto, for Number Corner this month, for number line activity, we are playing Put It on the Line. So, we pick a number. Why is that? Can you hear me okay?
Absolutely.
Okay, 1 to 10, and then we have to use the clue to figure out where it would go on the line. So right before this, I talked with my class a little bit, or all of 3rd grade, and we said, if we look at this, we see that 0 starts it and 1 ends it. So we know there are no whole numbers between 0 and 1, so these must be fractions. And then we decided, let's count how many parts are in the line. So we did jumps, and we found out that this number line is in tenths.
All right.
So all of our answers are going to have tenths as the denominator. Denominator down. All right? So since you are the guest, I'll let you pick. Would you like to go first, or would you like me to go first?
I would love you to go first.
Okay. I'm going to pick my one of my favorite numbers, which is 4.
That would be my favorite number, too.
Oh, sorry I took it.
That's okay.
I'm going to read the clue. Sylvia has 40 cents. She spent 3 dimes. What fraction of a dollar does Sylvia have left? Oh my goodness. So I'm thinking in my head, I know a dollar has 100 cents, right?
Yes.
So if she had 40 cents, so she said 40 over 100. 40 100ths is what she had. She spent 3 of those dimes. 3 dimes, I know that a dime is 10, 10, 20, 30. She spent 30. So if I spend money, it doesn't get added, it gets subtracted. So I have 40 minus 30 equals 10 over 100, right?
Yep.
And then I have to figure out how to make that tenths. Oh my goodness. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say a 10 is 1 dime, right?
Yep.
So if I have 1 dime out of 100, I have 1/10 of a dollar. Woo! Miss Musto, I got the worst answer because it's the lowest one.
Oh.
So I'm going to record 1/10 in orange because I'm going to be orange.
Put it on the line.
I put it on the line, girl. All right, Miss Musto, how would you like to be green?
I'll be whatever color you'd like me to be.
All right, thanks. Okay, you want to pick a different number? 1 to 10?
I would like the number 2.
Number 2. All right, here's our clue. Oh, simple. What is 5/10 plus 2/10?
Well, I know that 5 plus 2 is 7. And I know that I keep my denominator the same when I add. So I know the answer is 7.
Oh, great job, Miss Musto. So I'm going to count on the number line 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10. So now we have recorded 7/10 for Miss Musto and 1/10 for Mrs. Kane. All right, let's see. I'm going to pick lucky number 7. Another word problem. Rosa has 50 cents. Theo has 40 cents. What fraction of a dollar do they have together? Oh, guess what? I can kind of keep it like last time. So I know that 40 cents is 40 out of 100 and 50 cents is 50 out of 100. So like Miss Musto just reminded us, we're going to keep our denominators the same at 100, and I'm just adding my numerators. 40 plus 50 equals 90, and then I have to put it into tenths. So I'm saying to myself, well, if I had 90 cents or 9 dimes, that means I have 9 out of 10, or 90 out of 100. Oh, I got a good one. That lucky number 7 paid off. Oh, man. All right, Miss Musto, what number would you like to have next?
I think I'll go with number 8 because 4 is my favorite number, so I'm just going to double it.
Oh, what a great idea. Hey, we talked about that yesterday with multiplication. All right, ready? Here we go. And your question is, name a fraction equal to 30/100ths that goes on the number line.
Well, I know that 30/100ths is the same as 30 cents out of 100 cents. It's also, when you reduce it, it becomes 3/10.
Oh, great job, Miss Musto. We're going to add that to our line. All right. So we both have an answer on the lower side, less than half, and one on the higher side, more than half. We'll see who's going to pull ahead. All right, I'm going to go with number 1.
Number not like.
Oh, Miss Musto, it has my name. It's spelled wrong, though. It says Sarah, without an H, has 2 dimes. What fraction of a dollar does Sarah have? Okay, so I know 1 dime plus another dime is 10 plus 10. Double 10 is 20. So she has 20/100ths of a dollar. So just like before, like Miss Musto said, if we reduce it, we divide the top and the bottom by 10, we will get 2/10. Oh, bummer. 2/10. All right. All right, Musto, what would you like next?
I think the number 3 is one of my favorite numbers because it's in my birthday
Oh, 3 is a good number.
month.
Oh, all right, ready? Conrad found a 50-cent piece on the sidewalk. What fraction of a dollar is a 50-cent piece?
Well, 50 cents is half of a dollar. 50 cents is also 50/100ths. And 50 cents is also 5 dimes. So I'm going to say it's 5/10.
Excellent answer, Miss Musto. And guess where that landed?
Right at the halfway point because it's half a dollar.
Smack dab in the middle, right below Miss Musto's face right now. All right, I will pick the number, I'll pick 9. because my birthday is in the 9th month.
Yes, it is.
Oh, 2 quarters and a dime are what fraction of a dollar? Oh my goodness. Money in here too. 2 quarters. A quarter's 25. So I have 25 plus 25. And I know that 25 and 25 go together. 2 quarters, I have 50 cents. And then if I'm going to add a dime to that, a dime is worth 10. So I have 50 plus 10 and I get 60. So I know that 60 over 100 or 60/100 is equal to 6/10. Woo! All right, I recorded mine on the line. All right, Musto, we're getting down to the end here.
What numbers do I have to choose from? I forgot.
5, 6, and 10.
I'm going to have to go with 5.
Okay. Name a fraction equal to 4/5
4/5.
that goes on the number line.
Wow. So, I don't know if this is too high to think about, too high level. 4/5. If I times my denominator by 2,
Yeah.
that's tenths. And if I multiply my denominator to get to tenths, I have to multiply my numerator as well. So if I double my numerator and denominator, what was it, 4/5?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so 4 times 2 is 8, and that 8, and 5 times 2 is 10. So now I have 8/10. 4/5 is the same as 8/10.
Excellent. Did you guys see that? Hear that?
4/5. I'm just doubling my numerator and my denominator. I'm multiplying them both by 2, and I would come out with 8/10.
Excellent. Just like that. Got boys and girls. Do you see that? Excellent. Miss Musto, did you think about it as, since it was fifths, you thought, I know our number line is in tenths, so I need to get to tenths. 5 times what is 10?
That is exactly how I did it. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that part.
Oh, no, that's perfect. I just was wondering.
I know that 5 is half of 10, and if I multiply by 2, I can get 10.
That's so smart. You're so smart, Miss Musto. Okay, here we go. I'm going to pick 6. All right, here we go. Leon cuts his birthday cake in 10 pieces. I wish I had some cake. He handed out 6 pieces. What fraction of the cake is left? So I'm thinking he has 10 pieces. Not that great at drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's my longest birthday cake up in orange. And he handed out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's asking what fraction is left. Hey guys, this just is kind of like what we did on Monday with our calendar pieces. So I'm going to circle what's left here. And I see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 10, or 4/10. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on the line. All right, Miss Musto, you get the last clue. Are you ready?
Read it to me.
Sierra ran 7/10 of a mile and walked 3/10 of a mile. How far did Sierra run and walk together?
Well, it's said that she ran and she walked and it's together, so I know that I'm going to add them. And I know that I keep my denominator the same, so it's 7/10 and 3/10. And I know that 7 plus 3 is 10. So 10/10 is my final answer.
10/10. Sorry, final answer, Miss Musto. That is the highest one on this page.
It's also equal to 1 whole.
1 whole. Yeah, we also talked about that on Monday. All right, so now we have to find out who has the most tenths.
Uh-oh.
All right, so Miss Musto, here are all of your scores.
I'm going to have to add them up. Let me get my pen.
Okay.
All right, go ahead.
3/10, 5/10, 7/10,
Oh.
8/10,
Oh, I have some big ones.
and 10 tenths.
Oh, Miss Kane, Miss Kane. I don't know. I'm sorry that I had to beat you so bad.
That's okay.
I know that I have when I write them down, I see 3 tenths, 5 tenths, 7 tenths, 8 tenths, and 10 tenths. I know that 3 tenths and 7 tenths combine to make 10 tenths.
All right.
And then I'm going to add my 10 tenths to my next 10 tenths. That gives me 20. That gives me 20 tenths. And I still have 5 and 8 more to do. And I'm going to add the 5 and the 8 tenths. And that gives me 13 tenths. And 20 tenths plus 13 tenths equals 33 tenths.
30?
That's how many tenths I have.
That's a lot of tenths. I'm almost that old. So let's see what mine is. I have 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 4 tenths, 6 tenths, 9 tenths. And I like to add, just like Miss Musto, and I like to find numbers that go together to make a 10. I see 1 tenth and 9 tenths. So that right there is 10 tenths. I'm going to put that together to make that. And then I see 4 tenths and 6 tenths is another 10 tenths. I know this looks a little messy. And then lastly, I have 2 tenths. So I'm going to add my 10 tenths plus 10 tenths. 10 plus 10 is 20. Plus 2 more is 22. That's my favorite number of all time.
It's also your birthday number.
Oh, how did you know? So even though I didn't win with the most score, I won with my favorite number. So in the end, Miss Musto won with 33 tenths and I have 22 tenths. Hey, we both have double digit, the same numbers. Does that make sense? Oh my goodness, Miss Musto. Thank you so much for playing with us.
The highlight of my day.
Oh, good. Maybe next week we could have a play date again and we could play the game with different clues.
Absolutely.
Wouldn't
I'm missing these kids so much. The only thing that would have made this day better is if I could have put the game room with the kids.
I know. I hear you, Miss Musto. But hey, we still get to reach out and connect this way, right? All right, Miss Musto. Well, thank you. We hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks for playing with us.
Bye, boys and girls. Bye,
All right. All
bye,
right.
babies.
All right. Bye, boys and girls. I'll see you tomorrow, too. All right. Bye, everybody.